Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, and I went to Happy Beauty for the first time ever today, and I want to use their nail polish to make some St. Patrick's Day nails. So I did sign up for their rewards. It was the first time in there, so our total was $28.27, and we got this one and this one for free after we spent $25, because for every $25 you get a free vending machine. It's a long story, but go in the store and you'll find out. And I just wanted to test a couple of these. This color, we didn't realize it was a topper, but it is pretty transparent, as you can see. And the one in the middle, I just wanted to see if it was a topper or if it was like a solid color. This we actually thought was cuticle oil, but it's like a base coat, and it's supposed to get really, really hard. So we got that. And then I'll just go through each color. This is their actual store brand, clear glitter. Then we've got the green gold glitter. Right here, we've got the LA Colors Color Craze Gel Extreme Shine. And this is the topper. I don't know where it says what the shade name or anything is on there. Then this was one of the free ones. This is the Charlie Prefers. And it is P564. I just feel like the names are important, so that's why I want to run through them. P557 of the Charlie Prefers. And then here is another one of their brand. This is metallic beige. Not quite sure why they call that color beige. And then this is that LA Color Craze Gel again. Oh, that is, maybe it's shade 52. And this one is either 6 or 9. Then we've got the Technic Matte Nail Varnish. This one is developed in England. I don't know, it's vegan. Amazonian, maybe that's the shade. And then this one is Green with Envy. So all of our solid colors are right here. So I'm just going to see what happens. And after I get done with my nails, I'm definitely going to be praying. Hopefully I can inspire you guys in your prayer life as well. This is the One Verse Prayer Book, First Thoughts. It comes in 3 different colors. Definitely check them out if you want to support this channel. You guys, they are going to be linked down below. Okie dokie, so I just put on this clear, just the base coat. And a couple of my nails, I feel like it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It didn't go on like super smooth. I feel like it went on like super thick. So we are going to just do one hand at a time. We are going to give that a second to dry. So I feel like that dried super fast. So now I just want to start with this matte one. I really like this shade. So right off the bat, I wanted to be a little bit wild. So I mixed 2 colors together on 3 of my nails. So you can see it looks a little ratchet, but I'm just having fun. This is not the first time I've ever painted my nails, but I took the LA ColourPop gel and the darker matte, the Amazonian, and I basically just put them together onto the middle finger, pinky, and thumb. And now I'm going to use 3 different top coats. I'm going to do 1 of the top coats on each one, and we're just going to see what it looks like. So you guys, obviously this isn't like the very first time, but it's basically like the first time in my adult life, and I just wanted to get totally crazy. I'm just having a lot of fun. That's the point of this video. So I decided to get wild, and I don't know if it looks pretty or if it looks like really crafty. I mean, far away, I don't know. But first I went through on each one with this top coat, then I went in on this top coat, and then I went in with this top coat. Now this one is crazy super thick, super thick. These 2 are thin. This guy is thick, like in a good way. This guy is super thin. So, and I really like how this feels, and it just makes you look like shiny and clean. Like, look at how sparkly that one is. So now we get to decide, and they're thick, but like I said, I'm just having fun. Who cares what they look like in the end, as long as you're having fun, right? So now this one looks a little bit derpy just because I'm like trying to not have it like up against my skin or whatever, and now I just screwed that one up. Thankfully there's lots of polish. The top kind of solidified, so if I screw up, I can just kind of like push it down. Okay, That one is looking better now. So now what I want to do is go in with these other shades. I've got 4 more shades left. And first I want to maybe see if I can do like stripes. So we're just gonna see how that goes. So I ended up absolutely hating the nails that I did outside, so I took all of them off and then I completely restarted, and I did a solid color on the base of each nail after I did the base coat, and then I did shimmer on top. So I've got these 4 these 4 are done. That one still needs shimmer, but so I did the I've got to clean up the edges too somehow. I might have just screwed up though. But so I put Amazonian, and then I have 2 layers of the clear glitter on top of that. Then I did the P564, 2 layers of that with 2 layers of the green gold glitter on top. Then we have the P557 with 1 layer of the metallic beige on top. And then we've got this one here, and this color is actually chameleon. I had to do 3 layers of that. Not a fan of that one. It's way too liquidy. And then 2 layers of this retrograde on top. And then the last nail is the pinky, is the green with envy. And I'm gonna go back to the store and see if they have another glittery top coat that I can put on top of those. But so far, I'm like living for that color combo. It looks really wild because obviously I got really outside of the lines, but once I get the lines cleaned up, I think it looks pretty cool. Okie dokie. So you guys, I think I'm finally done. My friend Alex says that the edges will get cleaned up like when you take a shower. To be honest, with the flash on, these look kind of like crazy. But from far away, I absolutely love all of the colors in the nails. We went back and we got this hollow top coat. It dries crazy, crazy fast. And we also got this LA Colors glitter vibe. And it is finesse. So what I did was I put finesse on the pinky, 2 coats. Then all of the other fingers got 1 coat of the hollow top coat. Then the thumb got another coat of this one. Yes. And then the pointer finger got another layer of this. And I feel like the flash is not doing it justice. I feel like it needs to be farther away, but I feel like a pot of leprechauns gold. I really, really like it. They look messy, but I had fun. I had a great time. I'm into them. Okie dokie. So I actually ended up adding 1 more coat just because I'm crazy. I love how they look from far away. They're super rough and crazy up front. Like, look at how bubbly it is, but who cares? I had fun. So, overall, I got all of the nail stuff from Happy Beauty. So I just want to tell you guys some of my favorites. I love this stuff. This Recover My Nails. So the one label says it's a nail conditioner, and then the other label says that it's a nail hardener. So I used it as the base coat and the ultimate top coat. Really, really like this stuff. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. That is super, super great. Then, absolutely love the gold glitter. I think that it's fantastic. I really, really love it. And it's cheap. This brand is only $1.99. The other one that I really enjoy is this. I do think it was on the thumb, so there's a couple layers of it on the thumb. Look at how wild that looks. I'm a crazy person. Look at how thick they are. I really like this stuff. It's crazy thick. Thickest formula we used today. But it's interesting because this formula isn't thick, even though it's the same thing. So this one I really liked too. But these 3 were probably my absolute favorite. I didn't enjoy this one. It is on this finger. My friend and her daughter did this. It takes a million years to dry, so it comes off really, really easy. It gets rubbed off really, really easy. That I do not recommend. These ones dried pretty fast. This one I thought was a solid color, but it's more of a top coat. It's that right here. These two, they dried really, really fast, but they were a little bit lumpy. I don't know. And I really, really like this one. I just don't think that maybe I'm not a professional. Obviously, I'm not. It just doesn't seem like it applies, like, super evenly. But out of everything, the only thing that I wouldn't recommend is the green right here. I wouldn't recommend this. And I would super 1,000,000% recommend these three. And I would recommend all of these too. I mean, I think that they're good nail polishes. I like them. If you're better at using polish than me, you probably really recommend all of these ones too. But I absolutely loved all three of these. And really, we could probably include this. This one was real. I don't know, you guys. I feel like we could probably include the mattes. I really liked the mattes too. And this. But for sure, these three, absolutely 1,000,000%. And we'll throw this one over there too, because it was really, really pretty too. But this is better than this one. And all these were good. That's not good. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Look at that. Look at those nails. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Dear God, thank you so much for allowing me the opportunity to have fun and play with these items. I just pray that all of your children, all of your creations all around the world can be drawn a little bit closer to you in the coming days, months, years, seconds, however fast and however you want to do it, Lord. Amen. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. And happy St. Patrick's Day. Have a great one. Bye.